has a kind of hardship. Each one has a kind of sorrow that can't be spoken out loud to anyone. Still in silence, quiet deep down inside, thought that death would end all of this. Thought that death would make all this pass. Could not be done like the hard ones. Even with pain and hurt I must endure. The hurt inside, I won't speak up, dead or alive. How much it hurts, the hurt inside my heart. Even through death I will not be happy, not able to tell a single soul. These tears that fall no one can see. These tears that flow no one to know. This heart of mine is broke, there's nothing left. Pretend to smile so others are happy.